Hello, friends. As you may be aware that during Black Friday, different agencies, companies, and shops provide discounts. And here at Mage Mastery, there is no exception that we are going to give you some discount. And we thought that it would be a good idea to also join this Black Friday club and share some discounts so you can get your favorite Magento 2 online course with a price that you can get only exceptionally during this Black Friday. So we have opened a discount for this Black Friday that will last till Cyber Monday. So you have about 2 to 3 days to find the best course, whether it's backend or frontend for Magento 2 platform, purchase it with up to 50% discount. And I'm looking forward to see you at our Mage Mastery educational portal. And I can help you learn Magento 2 and answer all your questions. So don't forget that 50%, up to 50% of all Magento 2 online courses at magemastery.net. And I will leave the link below this video so you can see what course is the best for you and join our Magento 2 Professionals Club. I will see you there. Bye.